Good morning. We are back with another install video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than we've done before. Evan bought me something for Christmas that I have been wanting for a while, but I'm a little nervous to do electrical and he's been super busy at work. So we asked our friends at Automotive Solutions to help us with the job. Alright guys, I want to give a breakdown of what all is included in the KC Highlights Gravity Pro6. It comes with the light bar, the mounting brackets, and the wiring harness.
Make you look heavier, you know. There's that. This back together.
Everything just pops in and out.
Just snaps together. So they just put this draw out. Needed to go right there. Need a wire stretcher. That's okay. That's okay. This wire, this wire, might be worth pointing out in your video that we've connected directly to the yellow wire of the aux switches because it has it's a 25 amp circuit, so it's strong enough to power the bar directly and not have to use the rest of the wiring harness that comes with it. Trying not to be too old or not wearing my readers. I'm like,
ah, yes. Ah, that is amazing. I'm so excited.
here she comes.
Woo. They work.
Wow.
Alright guys, that is a wrap. The KC Highlights Gravity Pro 6 bar is installed and it looks great. Thanks to Tom at Automotive Solutions for installing it for us. He did a great job as always. Factory headlights, and here is the light bar.